Hello, in front of me I've got Heroes Olden Era. In this video I'll show you how to train your hero. In this game, developers added special building, thanks to which we can send hero for training. In order to do it, let's go to construct new buildings and find Guild of Six Winds in case of castle. Thanks to this building, you can select hero to upgrade attributes. Each training costs and increases selected attribute. For example, let's select attack, start training. Now the hero will be out for 1 day, and after this day you can use it again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.